So now you might ask, since this is an engine course, what is engine? Well, that is what this video is all about, because soon we're going to get started using this platform and ecosystem in order to build out our blockchain game. So I have navigated here to Engine's website, enginecoin.io, so that we can learn a bit about what Engine is. In short, Engine is a framework for building blockchain game. It is a framework that helps us and alleviates us with a large part of the work with actually building blockchain games. So they will drastically decrease the time we need to spend on creating tokens and creating the middleware, meaning the actual code that runs on the server that enables us to do this interaction between the server and the blockchain. The Engine ecosystem will help us with that communication so that we solely can focus on building our game and just designing our tokens. Apart from designing our tokens and registering our wallet, Engine takes care of the rest. It takes care of the smart contracts, it takes care of the token creation, it takes care of all of the communication between our game and the blockchain, implementing things like error handling and input validation and things that simply would take a lot of time for us to do. And with such an ecosystem as well, it also makes it easier for games to, share the same infrastructure so that users actually can use the tokens that they have in one game and more easily use the same wallet and same infrastructure to use their tokens in other games. So it really is a good ecosystem. And this is fairly new. And if I didn't say it before, this course is not sponsored in any way by Engine. There is no collaboration between us. But let's take a moment to go through the actual webpage here. The Engine Coin webpage says, empower your user base with true ownership, prevent fraud, increase your revenue, and explore the blockchain gaming frontier. Then they write how they will help you integrate blockchain into your game in a matter of hours without writing a single line of code. It's not entirely true. You do have to know some coding to do this, but it is way easier at least. You don't have to do a lot of blockchain coding. So they work with different parts of the gaming industry. And there is all-in-one platform where you can create non-fungible tokens, fungible tokens. It's modular. You can mint and melt tokens, which is quite interesting. You could melt down your gaming assets into some currency value. It is integratable into many different programming platforms and different gaming platforms, and it is scalable. So it is an interesting platform, and you will learn a lot about how this platform works in the upcoming videos. We're going to go through the ecosystem and how Engine actually builds up this ecosystem of both tokens, wallets, smart contracts, and the Ethereum blockchain. So stay tuned for that. We're going to go through that in this section. If you have any questions, you can always leave them in the forum, and I will see you in the next video.